The vulture made the elephant to cry.
Ah, no, the mouse made the elephant.
The mouse, you say so. Evelyn?
What are you doing?
Huh?
Animals are fighting. Who will be the winner?
You say so. A mouse made the elephant to cry.
Yeah.
He was crying. He goes to the river, run away. He goes there and to run. Until I came and I said, okay, now I gonna announce the leader of the fight. 1, 2, 3, microphone testing. Who won the fight?
1, 2, 3.
Oh la la.
It's
If I fight you tonight, who wins?
No, you won. Who won the fight?
Tomorrow after lunch we'll put
You think that?
I didn't hear it. You elephant?
The lion thought that he won,
Yes.
but when the fight was about to end, then the elephant started crying and running away because he was being beaten.
Elephant?
He went
Elephant was running.
Running and
Now
crying.
the other
and
animals.
crying, and all the animals decided to won because they were scared. Why the elephant is crying? Because he's being beaten.
So elephant is the leader.
No, he was being beaten and he was crying.
But the other ran because he was...
Yeah, because he was painful. He was crying in pain, you know. And
Because of lion?
no, the elephant was crying in pain, so the other animal felt, whoa, the person who is really beating the elephant like this gonna jump on us. So he decided to run away.
So
who won?
anybody won?
Who?
Nobody.
No,
Nobody.
nobody won. Who won? I want to know
Nobody.
because the elephant was being beaten, and so he cried in a very